you ever wondered why some hijab colors look great on you or some just don't? But just like choosing the right foundation shade for your skin undertone, it is as important for you to find the right hijab color for your skin tone. It is important because your hijab is close to your face and can clash with your natural skin tone. It actually makes a huge difference in making you look extra gorgeous or just a little more tired than usual.
First, you have to determine which skin undertone you are. Everyone falls into 3 different types of skin undertones: warm, cool, and neutral. So how do you determine whether you have a cool, warm, or neutral undertone? Here are some ways to do so.
So if you have a cool skin undertone, your veins will look bluish purple. If you have a warm skin undertone, your veins will look green. If you have both bluish purple and green veins, and then you are most probably neutral.
If you have cool skin undertone, you will look better wearing silver accessories than gold. If you have a warm skin undertone, your skin will look better wearing gold than silver accessories. If you find it hard to tell, then you are most probably neutral.
For cool undertones, your neutral colors are grey, navy blue, and pristine white. Your go-to warm colors are reddish pinks like cerise, bright rose, and ruby. Your go-to cool colors are purples such as lavender and lilac, bright blues like sapphire, and bright greens like emerald. Colors you might want to avoid are oranges and yellows.
For warm tones, your neutral colors would be taupe, latte brown, as well as cream white. Your go-to colors for warm shades would be oranges, reds, golden yellow, or amber. As for your cool colors, you should try warmer greens and blues such as olive or deeper turquoise, as well as red-purple colors like magenta or orchid shades. What you should avoid are pale, icy shades or bright reds, greens, and blues.
For neutral skin undertones, your go-to neutral colors would be greys, off-whites, or taupes. Most warm and cool colors will tend to suit you, but try to stay away from really bright colors. Think placid blue, sage green, or dusty pink that are basically not too bright or too pale. These colors are often described as pastel colors too.
Remember that the end goal is to enhance your natural skin tone. But if you do like a color that's not flattering for your skin undertone, then try to wear them as an accessory. Think bags, shoes, or even belts. Or somewhere just far away from your face so that it doesn't compete with the complexion of your skin.
Of course, these tips are not set in stone. If you still feel like wearing the colors you should avoid, go ahead. Since we are all unique, what may not work for one person may work for another. So thank you for watching and bye!
Brought to you by IU Apparels, Singapore's largest Muslima online store.